What do you have to say about trading activities at the NGX in the course of this week? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, and now Friday, recording another decline. You said earlier today that there's going to be a mixed market. Now the figures are out. What's your reaction to this?
Yes, yes, it's still a real mixed market, but for today, the figures I'm seeing today, I was looking at, because in that morning there were some positives, so I was thinking, yes, we might have it closing positive or negative, but slightly. But looking at 0.3, for me that's quite significant figures. But again, let's even start from Monday. The market started negative.
Yes,
and investors were looking at all the profit they have taken from the previous week. But when we got to Tuesday, it was positive. Then you got to Wednesday, it was the same positive, which is the mixed market there. Then of course yesterday and today we can see profit taking. Yeah, so I could see that some investors, apart from taking profit that yesterday, today they really wanted to consolidate, so they continue to take more profit. But again, if you look at what really happened today, every analyst would have expected that the price to close, the ASI should close a bit close to positive, but we saw a negative because Keregu came down. Keregu was among the securities that closed in the negative territory. Keregu was there, NGX group was there, Flour Mills was there, and these are really high price cap. And so when you have those kind of stock in the negative, of course it's bound to have an effect on the market.
What is your reaction to trading activities at the Nigerian exchange this week? What sentiment will you say actually played out with the kind of figures that we're seeing at the exchange this week? Mrs. Bukola James Cole, your thoughts on this?
Okay, thank you. Interestingly, the trading ground is a very interesting place for people who are experienced and versed with this kind of trading platform. So we had volume drivers, we had percentage losers, and we had percentage gainers. We had volume drivers like Fidelity Bank, who traded about 28.134 million units of the shares, and this was done in about 218 deals valued at 230 million naira. FCMB was a second volume-led trade. Zenith Bank was third on the row. They also traded about 18.023 million of its shares in 280 deals, valued at about 596 million plus naira. So it's obvious that the banks keep taking the bow in terms of traders' interests, and I don't know. It appears a lot of customers are looking out to their third quarter financial results, and that's what I will typically tag as the reason why we have volumes in the banking sector.